Hi everyone, today we will look at this question, perfect square, the question 279. So we are given a positive integer n. We want to write it in a sum of square number, perfect square number. So 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, etc. Given some example, n equals 12 here. So 12 we can write as 4 plus 4 plus 4. So you see we can use the same square number several times. So the answer is 3. That's the minimum possible. For n equals 13, we can write in sum of 2 square number. So how we can do this? First, let's check. We will set our answer for all n from 0 to n. Okay, so if n less than 2, okay, less than equal 1, then we know that's return 1. Okay, if n less than 0, this case we will not treat, because in the statement we said a positive integer, so it might be 0 or 1. This case we treat, and here we don't. Here we will initialize them by 1. So if we initialize them by 1, we can even ignore this one. Okay, no need, because we initialize them to 1. Now how we can do? We will do for every number from 2 I less than n plus plus I. How we can do this? We want to do for everyone. Okay, for given number I, what we can do? We will try to find some square number j from 1 to which. So the square number should be less than or equals to n. Okay, plus j. So if the cnt I will be the mean of cnt I and the cnt I minus j times j plus 1. Okay, because we have 1 square, and here we know how many number of square numbers for this one, I minus j times j. So and we need one additional square number, so that's the one which has j times j as a part of the decomposition of perfect square numbers. So here we take always the mean. So for the initialization, we should put not this one. Indeed, the initialization we should not do this one. Cnt I equals I, because the I, the integer, can always write as I of square number 1 times 1. Okay, and here as we initialize everything as 0, we need to work for n equals 1 as well, and I think that's done. And we should return the value for n, so that's the minimum number of perfect square numbers. Something does not work. What's that? Addition of, that's what? It could be overflown to this number. We have n equals 12. So 12 we can have 1. 1, so okay, we should start by 2. Okay, so it's not working for 1. Why? Because here when it's 1, this will become 1 times 1. Yeah, it's not okay, I think. Still not okay. All have the integer and let's initialize for n. Normally we should be okay. Here I get stuck. I don't know what's. It's really silly. We have always this 12. So we have 12 and we initialize 13. So I times, I don't know if it's this. Okay, I know why such a silly mistake comes here. Okay, now it's working. Okay, so you see the problem is that when we check the square numbers, it's j squares j less than or equals to I, not to n. That I do not do correctly, and then when j times j is too big, this get negative, and that's why we have that issue. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time.